A lot has changed since 1897, but one thing hasn't. McCarthy Improvement Company's dedication to building the infrastructure, industries, and communities that keep America moving. Founded in 1897, McCarthy Improvement remains family-led 5 generations later. Today, our capabilities span heavy highway and civil construction, commercial projects, and specialized industrial and refractory services. We build from the ground up, with expertise in grading, underground utilities, bridges, airfields, and concrete paving. Every project is delivered with an unwavering commitment to safety, quality, and customer satisfaction. For more than a century, our work has stood the test of time, not because the world stood still, but because we've evolved with it. The tools have changed, the technology has advanced, but our commitment to craftsmanship and integrity remains the same. McCarthy Improvement Company, a proud member of the McCarthy Busch family of companies.